Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 8th of December. In this video we'll be re-looking at the charts on the gold price, which is best viewed using the trading view code XAUUSD. What we'll see is that this week the gold price has been hit hard. Is it people selling gold to buy Bitcoin? Who knows? But anyway, it's now getting oversold. However, on the 4-hour, the picture on the candlestick still does look negative, so we may see further downside, but we are due an imminent bounce. Let's look at those charts. So here we have the weekly chart, so each candle represents 1 week's trade, and you can see clearly that this week has been very bad for gold. It's taken it down from 1280 down to the present level 1246. We did move below the 20-week moving average last week, although it still was moving up and giving support. In fact, it given support for about we'd been trading around the 20-week for 6 or 7 weeks. But now we've diverged significantly from there. We've also moved below the 50-week moving average. However, that will be supportive as it still is moving up, presently at 1257. So if we can get back up towards there, that would be good. Also below here we've got the 200-week moving average, the very longer term trend. That's also moving up and will give support. That's at 1233.25. Momentum wise, obviously given the extent of the fall, we're showing negative momentum. The RSI here is in a downtrend. It's back below 50, presently 43.07, and the MACD still above 0, but definitely moving down. Next week, if we are just even flat, we will see that move below 0, indicating negative momentum. On the daily picture, you can see that we were trading around the 20-day for quite a time. The 50-day did roll over in October and was moving down. I think I mentioned that in my previous video. It did look like we may be getting a break towards the upside. It was a false break. We've now obviously broken severely to the downside. We've had a bearish cross on those 20 and 50-day moving averages, and we've gone below the support of the 200-day. That 200-day is still moving up, so if we can get back up towards there, 1268, it would be okay, but we're quite a way below there now, and eventually that will start to roll over again, obviously. Momentum again negative, RSI down at 31.82. On the gold price, that's actually getting slightly oversold. You can see it's only been down there a couple of times this year, so it's getting oversold. MACD is confirming that negative momentum. Looking at the 4-hour, I don't like the picture that we've had on the candles. We've had an engulfing candle in the last 4 hours. That's engulfed the previous 2 green candles, which was negative. So further push to the downside later today should be expected. We are slightly oversold. RSI down 21.89. Also maybe at first signs of a non-confirmation. The RSI on this down is still higher than it was on the down from yesterday, the down 4-hour from yesterday. So that could be a non-confirmation, but we need confirmation of that. I don't believe we are at the low on this move down as yet. And the MACD is confirming the negative momentum as if that was needed at the moment. Looking at the support and resistance levels, We've got resistance. The first resistance is at 20 from the 4 hour. That's at 1259.92. Then the 20-day comes in 1278.26. With the support 1243.82. And then second support from the 20th of July 1235.36. So that's been a look at the gold price. Not very pretty. The key takeaways from the video obviously is that a severe sell-off is in place. However, the 4-hour candles do indicate further to go after we had that engulfing candle in the last 4 hours. It is looking oversold, so we are going to get a short-term bounce. Is it imminent? I would certainly, over the next couple of 4-hour sessions, let the market sort itself out, see if we get that confirmation confirmed on the 4-hour, and then if we do get a bounce, we'll get that bounce will go up to those moving averages, which is at 12. The first one at 1260. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it of interest. Please remember, these videos are not an investment recommendation, they're just my opinion.